At our house, we love eating all the berries. Strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, you name it, we love it. So we're super excited to build some garden boxes and plant some berry bushes. But the problem is we have so many critters around here. Groundhogs, voles, moles, and they dig and make tunnels everywhere and eat all the plants. Well, the voles and the groundhogs too. So we're going to go build some critter-proof garden beds and we'll show you how to do it too. Let's head to the barn. Come on, puppies. This is the man behind the machines. He's the pro. What are we doing here?
Cutting 3-foot sections.
For the ends of the garden beds? Perfect.
So our raised garden beds are going to be 3 feet by 10 feet. So we're just cutting the pieces here.
So I made a mistake and bought this wood a little too tall. So we actually need a saw that has a bigger blade anyway, so I'm gonna go purchase one at Lowe's so we can finish this project up. It's super frustrating when you're in the middle of a project and you have to stop because you need something, but having the right tools is so important and it makes the job go by so much quicker and just you do a better job when you have the right tools. So it's a good investment. We're trying to slowly add tools as we do more projects, so it's no big deal. But I've got to go buy a new saw at Lowe's, so here we go.
I'll be sure to link everything I've purchased for the garden beds below.
All right, y'all, now we're doing the garden box. Let's see how that works out.
To make one garden bed, we used two 2x10s for the 10-foot sides, and then one 2x6, and then we cut it in half so that each end could be 3 feet. And then we added little supports on the inside just to give it more stability.
Somebody went on a tool buying spree. So
Maybe.
This is what we're gonna use to staple the hardware cloth to the garden box so that no voles or moles or groundhogs will get in. Which one do you wanna do first? This one or that one? Should we do this one? So here is the finished garden beds. So now we just need to carry these all the way back to the garden. So now we just need to paint these garden boxes and then we'll go move them over to the garden. And I think I'm gonna have the boys help me because it doesn't matter if it's exact or if they do a perfect job, they can just kind of be sloppy and it's no big deal. So it'll be something fun that they can help with and feel like they're a part of the garden, and just love giving them opportunities to work. So super exciting. Braxton, you ready to do some painting?
Yeah, right now.
All right, let's do this.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Will this work?
No.
Okay, here's our progress. They're almost all painted. Everybody's been working so hard. It went so fast with everybody's help. And we're just finishing any little touch-ups. I can't wait to get these all to the garden. It's gonna look so pretty. So these are pretty much just for blackberry and strawberry. These are gonna be our berry beds. So super exciting.
Strawberries?
Yeah. How about you? You like painting?
I think it's great. Minus the ridiculous clothes you have to wear while painting.
What about you? You like painting?
Yeah, except they're
Should we build 10 more?
These pants are way too tight.
That's all right. Should we build 10 more of these?
No.
And paint 10 more? Are you painting your feet? Braxton, honey, please don't paint your feet. Brody, don't paint him.
I was joking.
What?
Yeah, you painted him on purpose.
Oh, he's so happy. He's so lucky he's not going to school.
Okay, Beckham, lift him up so he doesn't step.
Is it wrong with
I don't want to touch him.
your back?
Don't watch me. No.
Come here, Braxton, come
He's
here.
just gonna get your feet. Come here.
Well, can I have a water fountain? Oh!
Come here.
Oh, it actually feels really good. Ooh, it's like
wearing nail polish.
Brax, hold your foot up. Let me see it. Do you want some soap?
You're really get a before and after thing. Look at my other one.
Oh no.
One like before, after.
Hey, do you guys know what we're gonna be painting next? The chicken coop.
Okay, good. I thought you were going to say the house.
No.
Ah, I feel so cool.
Oh my goodness.
It's so funny.
What were you thinking giving the 6-year-old the hose? All right, we finished painting. So now we're just gonna let it dry and then we'll take them over to the garden and install it. All right, so we got all cleaned up and got all the paint off us and got changed, and it's finally not almost 100 degrees outside. So I wanna show you where these garden boxes are going. Okay, I wanted to explain where on our property the garden is going. So you can see the barn, the chicken coop, the backyard, and then the garden is going right on the right side of the house in this little area. Here you can see from the back side, so we have this little covered area, and then behind it is going to be the garden. So you'll see the 2 beds. They're going to be 3 foot by 10 foot. We'll have a little gate entrance up there, and we're going to fill the 2 beds with blackberries and strawberries. And if you look to the right, you can see another little gate that will head towards the front of the house. We plan to fill the rest of the garden with tons of vegetables and lots of flowers, and I hope it will be beautiful. But here's another little shot, a little more close up. You can really see the size of the future garden and how there's a lot of potential. And I just have this vision of sunsets with flowers and vegetables and wandering through the backyard and the kids coming and playing through the garden. So I hope it'll be a beautiful space. And again, here's the little gate that will exit towards the front of the house, so you can kind of come to and from all sides of the house. Next week, we'll show you how we install the garden beds, fill them with soil, and plant some plants. But thank you so much for watching today as we built garden beds. I hope this helped inspire you or give you some tips for how to build your raised beds in your garden. And thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. And we're so excited to share our Quail House farm as it comes together, one little element at a time.